Now today we are going to demonstrate to you how to do the foot soaking. Now this foot soaking is a very important process for every Sahaj Yogi because it helps you to remove all the negative toxins in the body, in all the chakras and channels, and it is very advisable to do it at the end of the day, preferably after the whole day is over. All the negative energy which has been absorbed by you and all the negative energy which is already in your chakras and channel can be cleansed through the foot soaking. And if you don't have time in the night, it can also be done in the mornings, and foot soaking can be done many times also if you want to do more cleansing. Now let us see how to do the foot soaking. Now for foot soaking, preferably you need a aluminium vessel. Here you see an aluminium vessel which has a warm water, and it can be kept down like a mat, like this can be put so that you can wipe your leg in the mat after finishing the foot soaking. Now this water can be warm so that it can be a balanced thing for left or the right channel. Now the water should be ankle deep, and ankle, now he will show you what is the ankle deep. Yeah, with your hands you can just show the ankle deep is, yeah, above the ankle. Yeah, that level the water should be. Now then a heap of salt can be put, preferably rock salt. Now he is using the table salt, a handful of salt basically. He'll show you how much is a handful of salt now. Yeah, this is the handful of salt. You can show little more properly. Yeah, correct. Put that salt into the water, and fresh mug of water is also kept on the side. Yeah. Now what we do, we dip our legs. You keep the altar in front of you. Wherever the altar is there, you can keep your foot soaking vessel in front of that, like a chair where you see in the video. Do it the same way. Keep both your palms open. Dip your legs in the foot soaking water. Now once you dip your legs in the foot soaking water, you request Mother, please remove all the negative energy in my chakras and channels into the salt water. After you request and pray to Shri Mataji, now we will take a bandhan. Slowly take a bandhan. Bandhan will give you a kavach before you start your foot soaking. We have already demonstrated the bandhan to you earlier. The same way you can take a bandhan, keeping your legs dipped in the salt water. Now in the foot soaking, it is very important that we remain in a meditative state and cleanse our chakras and channels. There are various ways to cleanse our chakras and channels. The first method is to cleanse our left, right and central channel while in the foot soaking. Keep your left hand open on the lap towards Shri Mataji's photograph, right hand shown towards the Mother Earth. Yeah, you need to show the right hand like that. Yeah, can you show the right palm facing? Yeah, it should be facing towards the Mother Earth. Keep it down. Yeah. Now stay in this posture and request Mother, please remove all the negative energy on my left channel into the Mother Earth. So in this posture, you can keep your attention on your left palm and stay for 2 minutes. Now after this, we can cleanse our right channel. Right hand open, left hand towards the sky. Mother, please remove all the negative energy on my right channel into the ether. Let's keep our attention on the right palm while we request Mother to cleanse our right channel. Stay in this posture for 2 more minutes. Always keeping the attention within or on the palms or on the head. Never have thoughts. If there are thoughts, say not now. Try to feel the negative energy from the body going into the salt water during these times. Yeah, now both hands towards Mother. Now we will cleanse our central channel. While we cleanse our central channel, we can request Mother, please remove all the negative energy of my central channel into the salt water. Now we can slowly also rotate in front of the central channel, left and the right channel. Now we will show you how to rotate and cleanse the negative energy. First we will rotate the left channel. Left hand open, right hand is the action. We can rotate clockwise in front of the left channel, going upwards slowly. From the left Mooladhara, left Swadhisthana, left Nabhi, then the void, then the left heart, then the left Vishuddhi, then go to the right side where left Agya is there. Yeah, now see how he is rotating like a wheel movement on the left Agya. Slowly, and then go up on top of the head, rotate a clockwise circular movement. Yeah, and then throw this in the salt water. Salt water. Yeah. Now do the right also the same way. Rotate slowly, right Mooladhara, right Swadhisthana, right Nabhi, and the void complete around the stomach area. And then go to the right heart, then the right Vishuddhi, and go to the right Agya on the left side. Now same wheel movement we have to do. Yeah, see how he is doing. Now he will be doing it in the, it looks like anti-clockwise, but it's the same wheel movement. And then go up on the Sahasrara, it will be a clockwise. Around the Sahasrara, throw the negative energy into the salt water. Yeah, now the central channel. Rotate from the central Mooladhara, central Swadhisthana, central Nabhi, around the Nabhi, the void area. It's all clockwise. You can see his rotation. It's all clockwise direction. Now the central heart, central Vishuddhi, now the central Agya, and then around the Sahasrara clockwise, and then throw the negative energy into the salt water. Now we have cleansed all the left channel, right channel and the central channel through the rotation also by keeping the left hand open, right hand on the Mother Earth, and right hand open, left hand towards the sky, and also through the rotation process. So this is how we utilize the 7 to 10 minutes during the foot soaking time. After finishing the foot soaking, it will by cleansing everything, our attention is completely on the Sahasrara. We will feel the negative energy coming into the salt water. Now slowly you can lift the legs one by one and then wash it with your mug. There will be a separate water here, and then lift your slowly so that the water doesn't spill outside. Yeah, and then you can keep the right hand down, right leg down. Now left leg upwards and slowly wash it inside the vessel itself. Yeah, now wipe both your legs in the mat or towel down. Preferably you can place the mat or towel like how we have shown you in the video. This is easy to wipe your legs down in the mat. Yeah, after finishing, now you can now finish your bandhan, because now very important is to take your legs outside the negative water down after washing, and then only you take a bandhan. Now you finish the foot soaking by taking a bandhan. The same bandhan will be taken again slowly. While you are in the water, while you finish your cleansing, even you can stay there for 2 to 3 minutes more by keeping both palms open. Just try to remain in meditation for some time after doing the cleansing. So now totally the time will be 9 minutes to 10 minutes, so that the whole cleansing calms you down and settles you in the silent state. So this is how you finish the foot soaking. Now you take the foot soaking vessel and throw this in the toilet and wash this vessel very importantly, and keep it only for your purpose. Do not use the foot soaking vessel for other Sahaj Yogis at home. This will be used only for your purpose. So this is how we do the foot soaking. Suppose you finish this foot soaking and want to do the meditation immediately, you need not even take the bandhan. Go wash the vessel, come back and sit for your meditation directly, and then finish your meditation and take a bandhan. If you are doing it at separate times, then you need to take the bandhan and finish the foot soaking, and again take a bandhan while you start the meditation at different time. So this is how the foot soaking treatment has to be done, and it is very important to do this treatment every day regularly. Okay.